Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to talk about how to write a viral video. As you know, getting a video to go viral can be a game changer for your channel, and it's something that a lot of creators strive for. So, let's dive in. First of all, let's talk about the most important factor in making a viral video, the concept. A viral video needs to be something that people can relate to, something that they find interesting, or something that makes them laugh. It needs to be unique and creative, and it needs to grab people's attention from the get-go. Now, let's talk about how to create a script for your viral video. It should be conversational, cool, and trendy. Start by thinking about the tone of your video, and try to write the script in a way that reflects that tone. For example, if you're making a video that's meant to be funny, your script should be light-hearted and humorous. Another important factor in writing a viral video is making it shareable. People are more likely to share a video if it evokes strong emotions, like laughter, or anger. So, try to make your script memorable and engaging, and make sure it has a clear message. Finally, when it comes to writing a viral video, less is often more. Keep your script short and to the point, and make sure that the pacing is fast and engaging. You want to keep people's attention, so don't bog down the script with too much information or too many side stories. So, there you have it, a few tips for writing a viral video. Remember, the most important thing is to have fun with it and be creative. Don't be afraid to try new things and push the boundaries, and who knows, you might just create the next big viral hit. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips on YouTube growth. We'll see you in the next video.